On hot days, there's usually high demand because we're using our air conditioners at home. And hot days themselves shouldn't be a problem for the network because we can forecast for those. But when we combine hot days with unusual events happening elsewhere in our electrical grid, like bushfires, then that's more difficult to plan for. And that's when we have days where there's a danger we could end up with some power outages. The power outages that we saw at the weekend were primarily due to the bushfires and the effect of those bushfires on the substations in the Snowy Mountains region. Now, the bushfires caused the operators of the substations to shut those substations down when the fire got close, and that's a perfectly reasonable operation to perform in those conditions. There was potentially some damage to those substations, but it appears that the operator Transgrid has now got those substations operational again, and the condition of those lines seems to be okay as far as we can tell. At the weekend, we were asked by the government and by the operator of the network to do things at home to help relieve the stress on the network, and that really is very beneficial. Things like turning off our pool pumps and turning off air conditioner units, which are high demand bits of equipment in a house. That can make a tremendous difference to the stress on the network and helps the market operator avoid things like blackouts when we can't satisfy the demand on the network with the supply that's available.